Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna check if year is a leap year or common year. So I'm gonna use a couple of definitions from Wikipedia and then we'll go to formula. Interesting thing here is, let me find that thing. So by inserting an additional day or month into some years, the drift between a civilization dating system and the physical properties of solar system can be corrected. And a year that is not a leap year is a common year. So basically we do have that thing, and I'm gonna use another website here that explains something. So leap year. A normal year has 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. So that's the major difference. And why? So because the Earth rotates blah blah blah, but a normal year has 365 days, so something has to be done to catch up to extra 0.24, let's say, days a year. So every fourth year we add an extra day. Let me repeat. So every fourth year we add an extra day, the 29th of February, which makes 365.25 days a year. This is fairly close, but it's wrong by about 1 day every 100 years. So maybe that's the theory you need to know here. Okay, so much about theory. Why do we need to do stuff? And let me find that formula. It's somewhere. Oh, there you go. Now, I'm not an astronomer, and honestly the only thing that is interesting to me here is how to implement this formula. So this is like my solution into C. We're gonna have a year, we're gonna grab it from end user. Also we're gonna grab multiple years, so while one, this is because we wanna grab multiple of them. And now let's do that. So printf, explanation to end user what needs to be done here, like uppercase Y, and a little bit of new line. So we are grabbing that thing, which is of course integer, because how else you're gonna grab year, and we're gonna put that into ampersand year. Okay, so now we have something to work with. So this is what they say. If year is not divisible by 4, then it is common year. If year is not divisible by 4, then it is common year. So how we can say that? Well, one of the ways, if year, when we divide it with 4, is not equal to 0, so basically we have some leftovers, if I understand correctly here. Correct me on that one if I'm wrong. We're gonna say printf not leap year, not leap year. Okay, so that's one part of the story. So what else they say? Else if year is not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. Okay, so let's say that. Else if year, when we divide it with how much? 100. So when we do that, if we don't have leftovers, that is a leap year. Printf leap year. Okay. And what else? What else? They say else if year is not divisible by 400, then it is common year. Well, this is interesting. So when we say, and I'm gonna actually steal this stuff from here because it's the same approach, but right now we are targeting 400, then they say that it is a common year. So we're gonna print f. If it is common year, then it is not leap year. So not leap year. Okay, and what else they're saying? Else it is a leap year. So else, let me check that, and we will just here, well, not do any checks, we will just print that is a leap year. Leap year. Okay, so let me check this. I'm gonna pull this to right because I want you to see everything here pretty much when we talk about source code. There you go. I think that's cool. Let me run this stuff. Okay, year, and now we will use online calculator to see are we right or not. So this is what they are saying in the checks on matisfun.com leapyear.html. leap years are any year that can be exactly blah blah blah, such as, so this is leap year. Okay, so let me test that. 16 is a leap year. Okay, so let's enter that in my calculator. So it is a leap year. Okay, I need to fix something here. Right, where I was. Okay, here. And also here, sorry about that, I always forget the next line. Okay, and also here, I think we are cool now. Okay, this is interesting, sometimes mind-boggling. Where I was? Right, so this is a leap year. Okay, so my calculator up till now is correct. Okay, 2020 leap year. 2020 leap year. That one, let me check that with me, leap year. Okay, so except with blah 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 blah, then it isn't. So 2100, it is not leap year. Is not a leap year. Okay, not leap year, so I'm correct on that one. And this one, not leap year. Oh, what I was, oh sorry, that one, not leap year. Okay, so I'm correct on that one. And it is leap year if it's 2000. Let me see, 2000 leap year, and 2400 is leap year. So based on this input set, okay, I'm cool. I think that my calculator is cool. Well, the only thing that is kind of weird here is I'm doing this like it's not equal to 0. Maybe that's confusing to some people. So basically here I'm searching for leftovers. If we do have leftovers, then all these things are correct. So if it's not equal to 0, then there must be some kind of leftovers. So yeah, I think you can use this, you know, I mean, write your own, check whatever you need to check, but I think this is cool. My approach is, well, that one, and your approach can be different to implement this if-else-if check. So yeah, guys, that's it. Share this channel with other people if you didn't. Comment on this code, maybe you have a better solution, better approach, I don't know. I'm not an astronomer, sorry about that. And yeah, subscribe if you didn't. See you next one. Ciao, ciao.